Hey, and welcome to Thought for a Walk. Now, you might notice, yes, Rob, I know you're not walking. However, yesterday I did go for a walk for you, and I did video some of it. However, the wind on that was so strong that whatever I was saying, I mean, it was a storm at the end of the day, but what I was saying is just lost. So what I've done is at the end of this, I'm just going to tag on the video of where I was and give you a view, because not everyone will have been there. But I'll tell you about that later. Anyway, today's Monday. Hurrah. Wonderful. Thought for a walk today. And today's thought, I was chatting to somebody after went for the walk, in fact, went for a bite to eat and got chatting to some people. And it's one of those things when you do what I do, if you mention that you do coaching or hypnotherapy, people automatically go, oh, I've got this problem. Same with counseling. And I'd mentioned what I did, and someone this person was just like, well, I've got this thing. It's not a big one. They said, but every time I think I'm about to move forward in life and make things improve, I don't go forward. I kind of step back into what I know. And it's very easy for us to step back into the familiar rather than stepping forward into growth. Because to make a difference, to make a change in life means for a little while things will be unfamiliar, but it's only for a little while. That passes because you get used to it and then it becomes every day. But it can be easy to kind of go, oh, and then just actually I'll do this. And I've seen it done on greater and lesser extent, sometimes just with people kind of trying to talk themselves in. You see it on people when they want to go on like fairground rides and roller coasters and stuff, and they're almost there. They're almost pushed themselves to the experience, but not having the experience is familiar and comfortable. So therefore they step back into not having the experience rather than increasing their life experience. And I guess there's a little bit of fear in there. I mean, people do it on greater extents as well. They'll kind of have an opportunity, and then they turn down the opportunity, not because they couldn't do it, but because that meant going somewhere that wasn't familiar. Whereas staying just in, say, the job you're in and doing what you're doing is familiar, it's comfortable. Does it mean life's going to move forward? Does it mean life's going to grow for you? No. Does life have to grow for you? Do things have to move forward? No. If you're perfectly happy with how life is, why would you change it anyway? But if you kind of feel that there is something else, or you should be doing something else, or there's more to life than what you're experiencing at the moment, then it's really good to just see if there is that moment where you're staying with what's familiar and comfortable rather than stepping into the unknown and what is less comfortable. Anyway, that's my thought for the day. Keep an eye out for those moments in life, because if you're trying to get somewhere and you keep finding you end up back where you started, maybe that's a possibility. Maybe that's something you're doing. Keep an eye out for that. Anyway, I'm going to switch over now to those videos, and we went up the Wrekin, and I really wanted to it was silly to think I could record a whole Thought for a Walk from off the top of the Wrekin when there was a storm coming in. So I have just the video footage for you because I think it's a nice way to finish this. Have a wonderful week, and I'll catch up with you on Thursday. Take care. Bye-bye.
Well, you probably can't hear this because we're up somewhere and